Hello and welcome! In today's session, we will explore Unit 4, Computer Systems, Networks, and Security. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the key concepts of computer systems, how networks function, and the principles of cybersecurity essential skills for the ATHE Level 4 Extended Diploma in Computer, Data Analyst Pathway, and for managing global payroll solutions. The course is structured around a scenario with SelectPayments.org, a global payroll company. It consists of two main tasks, each targeting different learning outcomes. The first task is a recruitment quiz focusing on technical knowledge. The second involves infrastructure and security proposals. Achieving all pass criteria is necessary before aiming for merit or distinction. SelectPayments.org operates globally with offices in Paris, Tokyo, and Sydney. They require secure connectivity for home-based staff across various regions. The system must support secure payroll processing. This scenario sets the stage for applying technical knowledge. It emphasizes the need for robust infrastructure and security measures. Task 1 involves creating a 20-question multiple-choice quiz. It covers units and metrics, memory types, and data representation. Other categories include stored programs, languages, and basic logic. Each category requires a minimum of 2 questions. An answer sheet accompanies the quiz for evaluation. Task 2 requires recommending office hardware like PCs and servers. It also involves selecting appropriate office software, including operating systems. Recommendations extend to home-based hardware and software. Designing a network infrastructure with secure connectivity is crucial. Techniques like VPN, SSL, and HTTPS are essential components. The security report identifies attack techniques and vectors. It suggests mitigation tools and techniques for protection. Hardware and software security controls are recommended. The report explains the importance of patches and updates. A brief overview of relevant legislation is also provided. Higher grades require assessing the function of system components. Evaluating the suitability of security processes is crucial. Justifying hardware and software solutions is necessary. These solutions must meet business needs effectively. Clear justification and evaluation are key for merit or distinction. For Task 1, a 20-question quiz and answer sheet are needed. This evidence demonstrates understanding of technical knowledge. It forms the basis for assessing learning outcomes. Submissions must be clear and well-organized. This ensures accurate evaluation of the quiz content. Task 2 requires presentation slides for infrastructure recommendations. A short supporting security report is also needed. Justification and evaluation are crucial for higher grades. Submissions must clearly articulate the proposed solutions. This ensures a comprehensive evaluation of the infrastructure and security measures. Choosing the right office hardware is essential for efficient operations. PCs, storage devices, and servers form the backbone of infrastructure. Recommendations should consider performance and scalability. Compatibility with existing systems is also crucial. This ensures seamless integration and functionality. Office software includes operating systems and essential applications. Utilities that enhance productivity are also recommended. Software choices should align with business objectives. Security features and updates are vital considerations. This ensures a secure and efficient working environment. Home-based staff require reliable hardware and software. Recommendations should ensure secure connectivity and performance. Compatibility with office systems is crucial for seamless operations. Security measures must protect sensitive data. This supports efficient and secure remote work. Designing a robust network infrastructure is vital. It should support secure and efficient communication. Techniques like VPN and SSL are essential for security. HTTPS ensures data integrity and confidentiality. This infrastructure forms the backbone of global operations. Security controls protect against various threats. Hardware and software solutions must be robust. Regular updates and patches are essential for protection. Security processes should be well-defined and implemented. This ensures a safe and secure working environment. Understanding relevant legislation is crucial for compliance. It ensures that operations adhere to legal standards. The overview provides insights into necessary regulations. Compliance protects the company from legal issues. It also promotes trust and reliability in operations. Conclusion: mastering global payroll solutions requires technical expertise, compliance knowledge, and analytical skills. These capabilities ensure accurate, efficient, and reliable payroll management across different countries, supporting both organizational success and employee satisfaction. For assistance, please contact us via WhatsApp at 0748-436-1688. A member of our team will be happy to support you. Thank you, and see you soon.